The big four, Java's built-in functional interfaces. We'll see what they are and why they exist, get one simple mental model for telling them apart, then take each one in turn. Predicate, function, consumer, and supplier with code, and finish by watching all four work together in a stream. In one line, the big four are four ready-made functional interfaces in java.util.function. Between them, they cover the most common shapes of behavior: produce, use, transform, and check. So you almost never have to write your own interface. Here's the mental model that makes them click. Just read the signature. Supplier takes nothing and returns a value. Consumer takes a value and returns nothing. Function takes a value and returns another value. Predicate takes a value and returns a boolean. Produce, use, transform, check. First, predicate. It answers a yes or no question. Its one method is test and it returns true or false. Is even is n arrow n mod 2 equals 0. Test of 4 is true. And predicates combine. Is even and n greater than 0 gives positive even using the built-in and method. Function transforms one value into another. Its method is apply. Len is s arrow s dot length. Apply of hello gives 5 and functions chain, and then runs another function on the result. So length then times 2 gives len x2. Consumer takes a value and does something with it, returning nothing. Its method is accept. Print is s arrow printen of s. Accept of high prints high. Consumers also chain with and then, so you can print and then save in a single call. Supplier is the mirror image of consumer. It takes nothing and produces a value. Its method is get. RND is arrowmath.random. Get gives a random number. Suppliers are perfect for lazy or factory values. ArrayList new is a supplier that makes a new list only when you call get. So where do you meet all four? The stream API. Filter takes a predicate, map takes a function, for each takes a consumer, and supplier turns up two, powering lazy defaults like optionals or else get. Four interfaces and suddenly streams read like plain English. Quick recap. Supplier produces, consumer uses, function transforms, predicate checks. One method each: get, accept, apply, test. They all compose with an or and then, and each has by and primitive variants like by function and int predicate for when you need them. Now make it stick. Take the topic test and climb the leaderboard. The link is in the description below. And here's something special. Top the leaderboard on 5 topics in a row, and you'll get a surprise gift from me, plus a personal one-on-one connect.